Hey guys, this is a video series related to the CanvasFX basics. In these videos we will talk through all parts of the project, learn how to operate it and achieve the main goal, create the overlay you are looking for. In this video we will talk about installation process, so let's begin. First, go to the Patreon page of the project, find the pinned post related to the latest release, download the app in the format you prefer, run the installation process and open the app. An important step is to provide the FFmpeg path to CanvasFX. Without it, overlay creation won't be possible. To do this, go to the settings and specify the path to your FFmpeg. If you are on Windows and don't have FFmpeg, just click the Download FFmpeg for Windows button next to the Select Path option. And that's it, you are ready to create overlay effects. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped fill some knowledge gaps. For more information or new overlay packs, visit our Patreon page. There you will find weekly overlay effects, project updates, Q&A and more. Stay tuned.